In World War II, while radars and Enigma machines controlled the radio waves, the Nazis resorted to an ancient but effective method: carrier pigeons. Thousands of secret messages flew across the English Channel, invisible to radar. Anti-aircraft guns were useless against such small targets. To counter this, British intelligence, MI5, formed a special unit, deploying the Kings of Speed, the Peregrine Falcons. The Falcon Army was stationed along the White Cliffs of Dover. Their mission: patrol and intercept. The Peregrine Falcon is the fastest animal on the planet. When they spot an enemy pigeon, they perform a dive known as the stoop, reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour. For the German pigeons, this wasn't a race, it was a death sentence dropping from the clouds. These were brutal aerial dogfights that no humans saw. Falcons didn't use bullets, they used talons and pure kinetic energy to knock their targets out of the sky instantly. When the Falcons brought back their prey, intelligence officers would retrieve the code capsules attached to the pigeons' legs. Thanks to these winged agents, Britain intercepted crucial intel about V-1 rocket attacks and U-boat positions, saving thousands of lives without firing a single shot. Though they received few medals, the Falcon unit played a vital role in counterintelligence, especially in protecting the secrets of D-Day. The story of the Falcon interceptors proves that the sky didn't just belong to airplanes, it belonged to nature's assassins, guarding the coast with speed and claws.